we wish to state facts about two different mandirs in different states of our country. In one case, the government uses thefts as an excuse to take over mandirs, and in the other, the state government refuses to comment on the thefts taken place in a state-controlled mandir. Today we take the cases of two major mandirs. Let us start with Sri Raghunath Ji Mandir in Himachal Pradesh. We all are aware that the majority of the mandirs are state-controlled. Their hundis, the management of the mandir, the contractors, the prasadam, salaries of the sevaks, etc. all are controlled by the states. Keeping this in mind, we wish to highlight a few thefts in mandirs. Sri Raghunath Ji temple was built and established by the late Raja Jagat Singh in the kingdom of Kullu. The temple consists of an idol of Sri Raghunath Ji along with Sita Mata, Hanuman Ji, Narsingh Ji and Saligram Ji. It contains the history of Punjab Hill States. In January 2014, valuables worth 23,81,000 rupees were stolen. Even after a proper FIR, no culprits were found. This encouraged the robbers, and a second theft occurred on 9 December 2014. This time the idols of Raghunath Ji along with several other idols and valuables were stolen. The valuables were worth 32 lakh rupees besides the idols. These idols are precious as several people's emotions are attached to it. It was after these thefts, the state government took over the management of the mandir. But wasn't it the responsibility of the government to have the law and order in place? Is taking over the mandir a solution? Let's go to the second situation to understand the whole situation. We now shift to the famous Sri Jagannath Mandir in Puri. This temple was built in 12th century AD, but was desecrated and destroyed by the Afghans. The deities were reinstalled in 1575 AD. In 1803, the East India Company took over the management of the mandir. Under the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Act of 1951, Sri Jagannath Temple Trust was constituted by the state government. Unlike Sri Raghunath Ji Mandir, Sri Jagannath Mandir was always in the hands of the state government after independence. In Sri Raghunath Ji Mandir's case, it was found that since the private owners weren't able to take care of the mandir, the state government intervened. As per this logic, the handling of Sri Jagannath Mandir should be an ideal example. Let us find out the truth. In the temple premises of Sri Jagannath Mandir, there exists a Ratna Bhandar. It mainly stores the valuable and precious possessions and ornaments of the idols. The Ratna Bhandar has a total of 5 chambers, classified as 2 outer chambers and 3 inner chambers. The keys were later deposited with the district treasury. In 2018, a large controversy came into light when the keys went missing. This came out in the open only when the court had ordered a team of 16 members to enter the Ratna Bhandar and check its structural stability and safety. Under pressure, the then Puri collector claimed that he found the set of keys in the official record room. But this sparked a fresh debate as these keys were found to be duplicate. An official from the trust stated that in his 30 years of service he never knew that the duplicate keys ever existed. The last list of inventories, which was prepared, had recorded all the valuables and precious stones in Ratna Bhandar, weighing 128 kilos. Nobody knows the current status. An RTI inquiry revealed in November 2021 that the keys of the inner chambers of the Ratna Bhandar have been missing since 1970. There is stark silence from the state government and the chief minister. This obviously raises several questions. Our intention is to highlight the attitude of the government. In one case, the state takes over the temple because there were thefts. In the other, the mandir is already under the state government and nobody has an idea of the thefts in the mandir as the keys itself are missing. Why are the mandirs taken so lightly when it comes to law and order? Why are there thefts only in mandirs? Why aren't the state governments being able to handle it?